Hey guys, JC here, Great Aussie Caravans. This week's van of the week, we've got a customer van. It's a 21'6" Gravity, which is our semi-off-road. Now they've spec'd it up with a few extra options on it. They've done the bigger extension on the A-frame with your big box and dual slides, front stone deflector, light bar at the front, nice handy little steady work light there. As we move along, you've got all the standard features with your high checker plate, your off-road tyres. It's got full coil spring suspension, fusion soundbar. They've had an entertainment hatch just to get the TV points and everything and give it a bit more dust protection. As we step on the side, this was a layout we introduced at the start of this year, and it has been rolling off the production line the last couple of months. It's proved extremely popular. Now at only 21'6", it is not a big van, but what it does, it gives you a nice side club. You've got your awning side kitchen with full height pantry, but when you come on down this end, this is where the magic really happens. You've got an enormous ensuite. So you've got loads of room to hop out of the shower and get dressed. Now, although people do refer to it as an ensuite, I actually refer to it as a multi-purpose room because we've got a lot of customers, they're actually keeping all their clothes up here as well. So it's extra clothes storage. You can hop straight out of the shower, get dressed and everything up here without even having to go up into the bedroom area. And then they use this area as what I like to call the butler's pantry. So you can have your coffee machine set up here, your toaster and kettle. So it's such a great use of space. At only 21'6", it's easily towed by most Japanese four-wheel drives. And I think you can all see why it's so popular. Now this van is in most of our dealerships Australia-wide, and it is available as a Tourer, as the Gravity, Explorer, even the Tonka. So if you'd like to know more, guys, just reach out to us on the socials, give us a call, or contact one of our national dealer network. Thanks very much and have a great weekend.